जवां है जवां मंजिल है आसमां है जवां जोश तेरा
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Nambardar TV.
Everybody is looking for authenticity and respect. But some are crossing the line. Using the name and logo of the All Pakistan Nambardar Association, registered, is illegal. We've warned repeatedly, legal action will be taken against any violators. Refrain from misusing our name and logo. It harms our reputation and credibility. Only official members have the right to use the association's name and logo. Sadly, some individuals misuse our logo and letterhead for personal gain. We're taking legal action against these impersonators. Protect your name and reputation. Stay vigilant. Know the truth and don't fall for imposters. Your respect and honor are invaluable to us, but integrity is key. Stand with us against this illegal activity.
Thank you for watching Nambardar TV. We'll keep you updated on any latest news and development.
सारा ज़माना जब तक रहेगा जहां है जवां